blossoms, butterflies take flight. Fresh love blooms beneath the sky so bright. Hand in hand we wander through the breeze, heartbeats dancing with the birds and bees. Seasons come and go, but love remains. Through the sunshine and the pouring rains, with you, my dear, through thick and thin, our love's a season that never ends. Summer days we bask in golden glow. Love's a firework, an endless show. Laughter echoes on the wind so free. Sunsets painting dreams for you and me. Seasons come and go, but love remains. Through the sunshine and the pouring rains, with you, my dear, through thick and thin, our love's a season that never ends. Autumn leaves fall whispering our name. Love's a cozy fire, a whispered flame. Crimson hues and golden light on trees. Our love's a harvest filled with memories. Winter's chill can't freeze the warmth we share. Snowflakes twirling